Today, we are pleased to walk you through the process of creating a CV and give an overview of your profile. Let's get started. To begin, choose the consultant account type and enter your login details. At your initial login, you can either upload an existing CV or start fresh with an empty account. We recommend taking advantage of our features by uploading a CV. To do this, simply click on Import CV, choose a supported file type, attach your document, and press the Import button. Our parser will do its job in a matter of seconds. Once this is done, you can immediately start generating CVs. To show you how easy and fast this process is, click on Generate CV, select a template, choose the different options and click Generate. The CV will be downloaded to your computer, allowing you to make further edits as needed. Despite we having an excellent parser, occasional inaccuracies may occur. Therefore, it's advisable to review your profile and add or correct specific details as needed. To do that, click on Review Profile. Now, on your home page, you'll come across different sections displaying the parsed information from your CV. If you need to alter specific details, click on the corresponding pencil icons. In this case, we didn't include our nationality and country of residence in the uploaded document, so we can edit it by going to the Personal Info section. After we make a change, don't forget to click on the Save button. When editing a CV, there are moments when writing or stylizing text can be challenging. To save you time, we've introduced an AI assistant in our review module that will handle it for you. Go to your CV summary section and click on the AI assistant icon. It will have a predefined prompt that will generate an accurate summary of your CV. Press Submit and wait while we generate the summary. Back on your homepage, you can review all the skills and evaluations that have been pre-detected. You have the option to change their ratings or add new skills. You also have the option to edit your language proficiency level or add new languages. This is quite handy, especially if you've learned languages after initially uploading your CV. The same applies to the training details section. Let's head there, add a Java specialization training and upload its certificate. The details of your professional experience are fully customizable too. You can add new jobs and edit all their relevant parameters as needed. Once you've reviewed everything, you can generate a CV again with the new information. To do that, click on one of the Generate CV buttons, choose a template, select the different options, and click on Generate. After the CV is generated, you can open it and compare it to the first one. As you can see, we corrected our nationality and country of residence and added our summary, certificate, and languages in a fast and straightforward process. We also provide you with the option to create new profiles on the Profile Manager. This can be very helpful when you need different profiles for various jobs or when you require a profile in a different language. Let's create a profile in French to apply for a job that requires it as the main language. In the Profile Manager, name the new profile, choose whether to copy information from your main profile, click on the AI Assistant button, select the desired language, and click on Create Profile. After the profile is created, you need to select it to make it active. Now, all your CV data is automatically translated into French. To illustrate this, let's generate a new CV, following the steps we did before. After we work our magic, you can see a fully customizable document in French, ready to send to your recruiter. So, today you've learned how to create a profile, review your information, and generate a CV in just a few clicks. This process likely took you much less time than if you had done it the old way, right? Stay tuned on our social media for more videos, blog posts, and tips that will help improve your chances at landing jobs.